Morning children. In previous class we have discussed the triangles and based on the triangles different types of triangles according to sides and according to angles. Therefore based on that today we have discussed the based on triangles problems. First one is in a triangle ABC, angle A equal to 30 degrees, angle B equal to 60 degrees, find angle C. Therefore here in a triangle ABC, sum of the angles in a triangle, therefore how much sum of the angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. In a triangle ABC, sum of the angles in a triangle that equal to 180 degree. That is any triangle, that is equiangle triangle, obtuse triangle, whatever it may be. Therefore sum of the angles in any triangle that is 180 degrees. Therefore a triangle ABC is given. Therefore angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. Here two angles is given. Therefore angle A equal to 30 degrees, angle B equal to 60 degrees. Therefore that is 30 degrees plus angle B equal to 60 degrees plus angle C that equal to 180 degrees. Here 30 plus 60 that equal to 90 degrees plus angle C equal to that is 180 degrees. Therefore this 90 degrees is transferred to that side. Therefore angle C equal to that is 180 minus 90 degrees. This 90 is changing that side, that is minus 90. Therefore angle C equal to 180 minus 90, that equal to 90 degrees. Therefore angle C equal to how much? That is 90 degrees. Here angle A equal to 30 degrees, angle B equal to 60 degrees, angle C equal to 90 degrees. This is which type of triangle? That is a right angle triangle. Next, here any doubt in first problem? One more time. In a triangle ABC, angle A equal to 30 degrees, angle B equal to 60 degrees, find the angle C. In a triangle ABC, in any triangle, therefore the sum of the angles, that is any triangle, right angle triangle, acute angle triangle, opposite angle triangle, whatever it may be, that equal to 180 degrees. Angle A plus angle C plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. Angle A equal to 30 degrees is given, angle B equal to 60 degrees is given. 30 plus 60 plus angle C equal to 180. Therefore 30 plus 60 that is 90 degrees. 90 plus angle C equal to 180. This 90 change to that side, that is angle C equal to 180 minus 90, angle C equal to 90 degrees. Therefore here three angles 30, 60 and 90. Therefore this is which type of triangle? That is a right angle triangle. Next, second question. Therefore in a right angle triangle, one angle is 50 degrees, find other angle. First see this problem. In a right angle triangle, one angle is 50 degrees, find other angle. Therefore here in a right angle triangle means one angle is compulsory 90 degrees, one more angle is 50 degrees. Here find the third angle. Here in a right angle triangle, therefore one angle is 90 degrees, one angle is 90 degrees. Next, that is first angle. Next, second angle, that is 50 degrees. Find the third angle. Third angle equal to question mark. That equal to find. Therefore, in any triangle, therefore sum of the angles is how much? Sum of the angles in a triangle that equal to 180 degrees. That is in a triangle, therefore 180 degrees. How many angles? That is 3 angles. Therefore angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to, that is 180 degrees. Therefore here angle 1 equal, that is 90 degrees. 90 plus 50 degrees second angle. Find third angle is not given, that is angle 3, that equal to 180 degrees. Here 90 plus 50, that equal to 140 degrees plus angle 3 equal to 180 degrees. Therefore this 140 is changing to that side. Therefore angle 3 equal to, that is 180 minus 140. Therefore angle 3 equal to, that is 40 degrees. Therefore 180 minus 140, that equal to 40 degrees. Therefore angle 3 equal to how much? Therefore other angle, that equal to 40 degrees. Here also see the angles. Angle is 90 degrees, 50 degrees, 40 degrees. 90 plus 50 plus 40, that equal to 180. That is correct, otherwise wrong. Check. In a right angle triangle, one angle is 50 degrees. Find the other angle. Therefore here indirect is given. Therefore in a right angle triangle means one angle is compulsory 90 degrees, second angle is 50 degrees, and third angle equal to, find how much? Sum of the angles in a triangle, that equal to 180 degrees. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180 degrees. 90 plus 50 plus angle 3 equal to 180. 90 plus 50, that is 140. 140 plus angle 3 equal to 180. This 140 changing to that side, that is minus sign. 180 minus 140, that equal to 40 degrees. Any doubt? Next one. Third problem. In a triangle, the angles are in the ratio. The angles are in the ratio. That is 1:2:3. Find each angle. Here in a triangle, the angles are in the ratio, that is 1:2:3. Find the each angle, or find the each angle. Next, in a triangle, that is any triangle. Therefore, sum of the angles that equal to 180 degrees. Therefore here ratio of the angles, that equal to 1:2:3. Therefore here this problem do different method, that is 2 methods or 3 methods. Therefore here ratio of this, therefore find out the sum of the ratios, that equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3, that equal to 1 plus 2, that is 3, 3 plus 3, that equal to 6. Therefore here find the first angle. Here first angle, the ratio of the first angle is 1, ratio of the second angle is 2, and ratio of the angle is 3. Therefore first find out the first angle. That equal to 180 into, here first ratio, that is 1/6. Here how many times cancel? 6. 3 ja, therefore 30. 30 into 1, that is 30 degrees. 30 degrees. Next, second angle, that equal to 180 degrees into second ratio is how much? That is 2/6. Here 6, 30 times. Here 30 into 2, that is 32, 60 degrees. Next one is third angle. Third angle that equal to 180 into here. Third ratio that is 3. Therefore 3 by 6. Here 6 30 times 30 into 3 that is 90 degrees. Therefore the angles are 30 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. Here see one more time. Therefore here in a triangle the angles are in the ratio that is 1:2:3. Find each angle. In a triangle sum of the angles is that is 180 degrees. Ratio of the angle that is 1:2:3. First find out the sum of ratio. Sum of the ratios equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 that equal to 1 plus 2 that is 3, 3 plus 3 that is 6. Here first find out the first angle. First angle equal to that is 180 into first ratio that is 1 by 6. Here 6 in 180 that is 30 times 30 into 1 that equal to 30 degrees. Next the second angle that is 180 into second ratio that is 2 by 6 that equal to that is 30 times 30 into 2 that is 60 degrees. Therefore third angle that is 180 into ratio that is 3 by 6. Here 6 30 times 30 into 3 that is 90 degrees. Here the angles are in the ratio 30, 60 and 90. This is which type of triangle? That is also right angle triangle. Now second method. This is second method. Same problem, second method. Here ratio of the angles is given. Ratio of the angles that is 1:2:3. In previous class we have discussed the ratios and its applications. Therefore this it can be written as 1 into x and 2 into x and 3 into x. 1 into x that is 1x, 2 into x that is 2x, 3 into x that is 3x. Here common is x, get cancelled, you got again same 1:2:3. Therefore sum of the angles in a in a triangle that equal to 180 degrees. 180 degrees. Here therefore add this one 1x x plus 2x plus 3x equal to that is 180 degrees. Here 1x plus 2x plus 3x that all are like terms. 1x plus 2x that is 3x, 3x plus 3x that is 6x. 6x equal to 180 degrees. Therefore x equal to 180 by 6 that is 6 30 times. Therefore x equal to 30 degrees. Therefore the angles are 1x, here 2x, 3x. Here substitute x value 1 into x, 1 into 30, here 2 into 30 degrees, next 3 into 30 degrees. Therefore 1 into 30 that is 30 degrees, next one 2 into 3 that is 60 degrees, 3 into 30 that is 90 degrees. Therefore 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. You got any method, you got same answer only. Here 30, 60, 90. Here also you got 30, 60, 90. In exam do any one method, your choice, that is. Next one. Next, in any triangle, therefore, maximum in any triangle, maximum how many right angle triangles? In any triangle, maximum how many right angles? How many right angles? Therefore, in any triangle, that is obtuse angle triangle, acute angle triangle, right angle triangle, whatever it may be, therefore maximum how many right angles? Therefore, in a triangle, therefore sum of the angles is how many? Therefore, in any triangle, sum of the angles in a triangle, that is equal to 180 degrees. Here sum of the angle, how many angles? That is 3 angles, that is 1, 2, 3, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, that is 3 angles, that is 180 degrees. Therefore, to take one angle is 90 degrees, to take second angle, that is also 90 degrees, therefore third angle is 20 degrees. That is possible. Suppose 90 plus 90, that is 180, plus 90 degrees plus 90 degrees plus 20 degrees, that is equal 90 plus 90, that is 180, 180 plus 20, that is equal 200 degrees. Therefore 200 degrees is, that is greater than 180 degrees. Yes. Therefore, in any triangle, maximum only one right angle. In any triangle, maximum only one right angle. Any triangle, that is obtuse angle triangle, acute angle triangle, or right angle triangle, therefore maximum only right angle. Suppose you take two right angles, therefore 90 degrees plus 90 plus 20, 90 plus 90, 180, 180 plus 20, that is equal 200 degrees, that is more than 180 degrees, therefore it is impossible. Therefore, in any triangle, therefore maximum only one right angle. Next one, in a right angle triangle, the ratio of other two angles are in the ratio. The ratio of the other two angles. Two angles is 2:3. Find the angles. See here, in a right angle triangle, the ratio of the other two angles is 2:3. Find the angles. Therefore, in a right angle triangle means one angle is compulsory right angle. Remaining two angles is how much? Sum of the remaining two angles is 90 degrees. In a right angle triangle, one angle is 90 degrees, and sum of other two angles also 90 degrees. Sum of other two angles that equal to 90 degrees. Here what is given? The ratio of the other two angles is given. The ratio of other two angles that equal to how much is given? That is 2:3. Therefore, you do any method your choice. That is, therefore, first to find out the sum of ratio. That equal to 2 plus 3, that equal to 5. Next one is here angle. Therefore, here ratio is how much is the first ratio? That is 2 is given. Therefore, 90 into 2 by 5. Here how many times cancellation? 5 one time. Next here 3 is there 30. Therefore, that is how many times? Here 4 and 30, 40, that is 80. Therefore, 80 2 that is 36. 36 degrees. Next, second angle, one more angle, other angle, that is 90 into, that is ratio is 3 is given, that is 3 by 5. Therefore, that is 18 times. Therefore, 18 3 that is 54 degrees. Therefore, the other two angles are how much? 36 degrees and 54 degrees. One more time. In a right angle triangle, the ratio of the other two angles is, other two angles are 2:3 is given. Find the angles. In a right angle triangle, one angle is 90 degrees. Next, sum of other two angles are also 90 degrees. Here, total angle equal to how much? 90 plus 90, that equal to 180 degrees. Sum of the angles in any triangle, that equal to how much? That is 180 degrees only. Here, the ratio of the other two angles, that equal to 2:3 is given. Therefore, sum of the ratio, that equal to 2 plus 3. 2 plus 2, that equal to 5. Here, find out the first angle or second angle, your side, that is angle equal to, that is 90 into ratio is how much? That is 2 by 5. Here 5 and 90 get cancelled. 5 18 times 18 into 2, that is 36. Next, third angle or one more angle. Next, 90 into ratio is 3, that is 3 by 5, that is equal to 18 into 3, that is 54 degrees. Therefore, here 36 plus 54, that is 90. Here one more 90. Therefore, total 3 angles. One angle is 90, 36 and 54 degrees. Next, suppose sometimes only sides is given. Sides. The sides of a triangle 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters and 3 centimeters is given, then it form a triangle or not? It form a triangle or not? In previous class we have discussed this one. Yes, the sides of a triangles, that is 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters and 3 centimeters, that is form a triangle or not. First, what is condition? Therefore, form a triangle means sum of any two sides is greater than the third side and difference of the any two sides is less than the third side. First one, here given sides of the triangle that equal to 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters and 3 centimeters. Here first condition is what? First condition, therefore sum of any two sides is greater than third side. You write is greater than or write use symbol, anything your side. Sum of any two sides is greater than the third side. Here first side is 1 centimeter, second side is 2 centimeters and here 1 plus 2, that equal to how much? 3. Here 3 centimeters is greater than 3 centimeters? No. Condition is failed. Yeah, that is a no. Here condition is failed. Next one is here. Again 2 plus 3, that equal to 5. 5 is greater than 1. That is correct. Next one is again 1 plus 3, that equal to 4. 4 is greater than 2. That is okay. Here first condition is failed. Therefore, that is it cannot form a triangle. it cannot form a triangle. Here sum of any two sides is greater than the third side. Next one more condition. Second condition also check that one. Second condition is difference. The difference of any two sides. Any two sides is less than third side. Here first here sum of any two sides is greater than the third side. Next condition is what? Difference of any two sides is less than a third side. Here difference means suppose 1 minus 2 that is equal to minus 1, that is minus 1 is less than 3, that is condition is okay. Next one is 2 minus 3 or 3 minus, that is what has maybe, that is less than 1, that is also okay. Next here 3 minus 1 that is equal to 2. Here 2 less than 2, therefore here also this condition is wrong. Therefore this condition also failed. Therefore total these two conditions, therefore it cannot form a triangle. It cannot form a triangle. Therefore, here the sides of a triangle 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters, and 3 centimeters, then it form a triangle or not. Therefore, that is a given sides of a triangle. That is what is given? 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, and 3 centimeters. Therefore, first condition is sum of any two sides is greater than the third side, and second condition difference of any two sides is less than the third side. Check it, these two conditions are all satisfied, therefore it can form a triangle, otherwise it cannot form a triangle. Therefore sum of any two sides, that is 1 plus 2 that is equal to 3. 3 is greater than 3? No, here both are equal, 3 equal 3, therefore your condition is failed, that is wrong. Here 2 plus 3 that is equal to 5, 5 is greater than 1, yes okay. 1 plus 3 that is equal to 4, 4 is greater than 2, that is also condition is okay. Next, difference of any two sides is less than the third side. Therefore, 1 minus 2 or 2 minus 1, whatever it may be your side, that is here 1 minus 2 that is equal to minus 1 is less than 3, that is yes, okay. Next, 2 minus 3 or 3 minus 2, whatever it may be. Therefore, here suppose 3 minus 2 take, that is 1. 1 is less than 1, condition is wrong. Here 2 minus 3 that is equal to minus 1 less than 1. Therefore, that is correct. Next one is here 3 minus 1 that is 2, 2 less than 2, that is also failed. Therefore, above condition, therefore it cannot form a triangle. Next one, based on this one more problem, that is the sides of triangles 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, and 5 centimeters. The sides of a triangle are 3 centimeters and 4 centimeters and 5 centimeters. Therefore, that is do your own. Yes, it can form a triangle. Check these conditions. I will explain only. Here 3 plus 4 that is equal to 7. 7 is less than 5. Yes. Next 4 plus 5 that is 9. 9 is less than 3. Yes. Next here 5 plus 3 that is 8. 8 is less than 4. Yes. Next difference of any two sides. 3 minus 4 that is equal to minus 1 less than 5. Correct only. Next 4 minus 5 that is equal to minus 1 that is less than 3. Next that is 5 minus 3. Therefore, yes, it can form a triangle. That is do your own. Next. Next one, suppose one figure is given. Here A, B, C, D. here and here one triangle is given, therefore triangle ABC, therefore angle A, angle B, angle C, that are the interior angles. Angle ACD, that is the exterior angle. Therefore here interior angle A is given 30 degrees, angle B equal to 70 degrees given. Therefore any relation between the interior angles and exterior angles in a triangle problem, in a triangle ABC, therefore angle A equal to 30 degrees, angle B equal to 70 degrees. Find angle ACD. Therefore this time also do two methods. Therefore first close this one. Therefore here one triangle is formed. Therefore triangle ABC. Find the angle C. Next one is here at point C total angle, that is form a linear pair. Form a linear pair. Linear pair means sum of these two angles equal to how much? That is 180 degrees. Therefore you know this angle, that is 80 degrees. Find this angle 80 plus angle x equal to 180. Therefore angle x equal to, otherwise therefore relation between the interior angles and exterior angles. Here already discussed in previous class. Relation between exterior angle and opposite interior angles. Opposite interior angles. Opposite interior angles. Here relation between the exterior angle and opposite interior angles. Here angle ACD is the exterior angle. Therefore what are the opposite interior angles? Angle A and angle B. Therefore the exterior angle equal to exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. Opposite interior angles. Here compulsory write sum of opposite interior, compulsory write. Who write only sum of interior angles, that is wrong. Sum of opposite interior angles. Therefore here exterior angle, that equal to angle ACD equal to angle A plus angle B. Here angle ACD equal to angle A equal to how much? That is 30 degrees. Angle B equal to 70 degrees. Substitute these two values here. 30 degrees plus 70 degrees. Therefore 30 plus 70, that equal to how much? That is 100 degrees. Angle ACD. Therefore that is exterior angle, that equal to angle ACD, that equal to x equal to, that is 100 degrees. Therefore suppose find out the angle C. Therefore here linear pair. Therefore this is 100 degrees. Therefore this is 80 degrees. So 80 plus 100, that equal to 180 degrees. In any triangle, how many exterior angles? In any triangle, how many exterior angles? How many exterior angles? Therefore, in any triangle, how many interior angles? That is 3 interior angles. Therefore, exterior angles also how many? That is 3 exterior angles. 3 exterior angles. 3 exterior angles. That is any triangle, obtuse angle triangle, acute angle triangle, or right angle triangle, whatever it may be, that is 3 exterior angles. Sum of 3 exterior angles in any triangle. Sum of exterior angles in a triangle, that is equal to 360 degrees. That is sum of exterior angles in any triangle, that is right angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, acute angle, whatever it may be, that is 360 degrees. sum of interior angles in any triangle, that is how much? That is 180 degrees. Next, relation between the angles and sides. Already we have discussed in previous class based on that problems. Here A, B, C. Here this angle is 40 degrees is given. This angle is 60 degrees is given. This angle is 80 degrees is given. In a triangle, angle A equal to 40 degrees, angle B equal to 60 degrees, angle C equal to 80 degrees. Which is the greatest side? Which is the greatest side? And the smallest side. Smallest side. In a triangle, angle A equal to 40 degrees is given, angle B equal to 60 degrees is given, angle C equal to 80 degrees is given. Therefore, which is the greatest side? Which is the smallest side? Therefore, first write the angles. In a triangle, therefore angle A equal to 40 degrees, angle B equal to 60 degrees, angle C equal to 80 degrees. Here 40, 60 and 80. 40 plus 60 plus 80, that is 180 degrees. Yes, it can form a triangle. Next, which is the greatest angle, which is smallest angle? You know, here smallest angle is 40 degrees. Smallest angle that is called 40 degrees, and greatest angle that is called 80 degrees. Here greatest angle, that is angle C. Angle C opposite side, which side is there? That is AB. Therefore, that is the greatest side. Next, here smallest angle is 40. Smallest angle opposite side, which one is there? That is BC. Therefore, BC is the smallest angle. Greatest angle opposite side is greatest side. Therefore, here greatest angle, that is 80 degrees. Therefore, 80 degrees opposite side, which one is there? That is AB is the greatest side. AB is greatest side. Next, here smallest angle is what? 40 degrees. 40 degrees opposite side, which one is there? That is BC. Smallest angle opposite side is smallest. Here, that is angle A opposite one is there, that is the opposite side is BC. Therefore, BC is smallest side. In a triangle, angle A equal to 40, angle B equal to 60, angle C equal to 80. In this angle, therefore, which is smallest angle? That is 40 degrees is the smallest angle. Here, greatest angle is 80. Therefore, greatest angle is 80 degrees. Here, the smallest angle opposite side is that is the smallest side, that is BC, and greatest angle is 80 degrees. That opposite side is AB. Therefore, that is the greatest side. Therefore, relation is what? Greatest angle opposite side is the greatest side, and smallest side opposite side is the smallest side. Suppose sometimes only sides is given. Suppose sides is given. One triangle is given. here P, Q, R. Here 3, 2, here 4 is given. Or centimeters or meters, whatever it may be, your choice. That is here 3 centimeters and 2 centimeters and 4 centimeters is given. So first it can form a triangle or not? Yes, it can form a triangle here. 3 plus 2, that equal to 5. 5 is greater than 4. Next to check the condition. Sum of any two sides is greater than the third side, and difference of any two sides is less than the third side. Next one is here. The sides of the triangles. The sides of the triangle 3 centimeters, 2 centimeters, and 4 centimeters. In that, which is the greatest angle? Greatest angle, and which is the smallest angle. Here, previous problem is based on this only. Therefore, here sides are 3 centimeters, 2 centimeters, and 4 centimeters. So, here the sides are 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters, and 4 centimeters. Here, smallest side is what? That is 2 centimeters. Smallest side, that is 2 centimeters, and the greatest side, that is 4 centimeters. Okay. Therefore, here triangle PQR. Here QR is, that is the smallest side. Here smallest side, opposite side is which one is that? That is the angle P. That is the smallest angle. Therefore, smallest angle equal to what? Smallest angle, that equal to angle P. Next, here greatest side is what? That is a PR. Here PR, opposite side is which one is that? That is a angle Q. Therefore, greatest angle equal to what? Greatest angle, that equal to angle Q. Here greatest angle opposite side is the greatest side, and smallest angle opposite side is the smallest side. Or smallest side opposite side is the smallest angle, and the greatest side opposite side is the greatest angle. Next, I give some homework problems, so you complete that. In a triangle, the ratio of the angles are, that is 2:3:4. Find each angle. Next one is in a right angle triangle, the ratio of other two angles, that is 1:2. Find the angles. Next one, in a triangle, angle 1 equal to 70 degrees, angle 2 equal to, that is 45 degrees. Find angle 3. Next one is in the adjacent figure, which is greatest side and smallest side. Draw a triangle and measure the angles. Sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees or not. Here, homework problems. In a triangle, the ratio of the angles 2:3:4. Find the angles. Do any method your choice. Next, in a right angle triangle, the ratio of the other two angles 1:2. Find the angles. In a right angle triangle, one angle is 90 degrees. Here, other two angles are 90 degrees. Next, in a triangle, angle 1 is given, angle 2 is given. Find the angle 3. Sum of the angles in a triangle, that is 180 degrees. So, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180. Next, in the adjacent figure, which is greatest side and which is smallest? Here angles is given 60, 35 and 85. Therefore, next to find the here which is greatest angle, which is smallest angle. Based on that, we write the greatest side and the smallest side. Next, draw a triangle. Any triangle, acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, right angle triangle, whatever it may be. Measure the angles by using the protractor and sum of that all angles equal to, that is 180 degrees or not. That is 180 degrees, it can form a triangle, otherwise it cannot form a triangle. Okay, thank you.